Unlocked power at your fingertips. Find your Thermaltake Smart 500 in one click from the link in description with 11% off deal, and get set for a game-changing upgrade. You've got the box, now let the magic unfold. As we slide out the Thermaltake Smart 500, feel the anticipation build. This isn't just an unboxing. It's your first hello to a powerhouse. With secure packaging and clear instructions, the stage is set for a seamless setup. Behold the silent warrior of power supplies. Each curve, each component speaks to Thermaltake's dedication to quality. With its 80+ white certification, 500 watts of continuous power, and an ultra-quiet cooling fan, this power supply isn't just about looks, it's performance waiting to peak. Installation is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-timer, the Smart 500 is designed for effortless integration into your PC dream. Elevate your experience as this power supply hums to life. Expect nothing but a stable, efficient energy flow, a whisper of a fan spinning, and longevity that defies time. But let's be transparent. The Smart 500 shines for mainstream users, whereas the scalable link interface may be more than needed for others. Embrace the power, champion the silence, and command your build with confidence today. That's it for today. Share your desired next product in the comments and subscribe to be instantly notified when it's released.